Ashwath Reddy, you scored 80 marks, Nana. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Aditya, are you there, Aditya? Aditya, maybe he's not yet joined, I think.
Ma'am, he's absent. Ma'am.
No, he didn't. He is very regular to the classes. Maybe I want to find out the reason. Jaydeep,
Ma'am, Yadarth, ma'am.
yeah. Edarth, are you there? Edarth, are you there? Aditya means Edarth. Aditya is a grade 8 student. He is,
Ma'am, he didn't join, ma'am, still.
okay. Both are doing same marks, Nana, Aditya and Jaydeep. Where you are losing that 3 marks, you're supposed to. And where is Lohini? Are you there in the classroom, Lohini? Lohini, are you there in the classroom? Please get my phone. I have to call the students. There are 2 students absent. Sri Harsha is there in the classroom. Yes, Sudesha. Sudesha.
Yes, ma'am.
Nana, you written only 9 questions. Nana, where is your difficulties? Let me tell Sudesha. You in the classroom, you are very good. You are thinking. I'm thinking like that. You are getting every point. So, but what happened? I don't know. In that coming to results examination part, you are scoring very less.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm not having difficulties.
Just a minute, Nana. I'll call to Lohini and then come back. Drona, are you there? Drona.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you are absent for the exam?
Ma'am, I actually had an assembly, ma'am, on 16th August.
Nana, this is mandatory, Nana. This exam is for you only, for the students. Why we are taking such a pain and doing the test, keeping for you? When you are writing your academic examinations in the school, you may get nice marks, right? Because of that, we are helping the students, but students are absent for the examination. You're supposed to give the written explanation for me. And low achievers, where your mistake, where your problem, I also supposed to know so that I can help you. Let me share the question paper right now. We'll check the question paper.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in the 30th question, ma'am.
Oh, yeah, we are going, ma. We are going to test paper only. Let me see the paper. No, just a minute. Yes, Sudisha, are you there, Sudisha? Sudisha, on your video, answer my question. Even Ashwath Reddy, everyone supposed to on their videos, children. That's mandatory. Please. Okay, I can see Sudisha should answer the question. You see, Sudisha, the line, the figure, in the figure AB represent, is it a line or a line segment or point? Don't tell children, don't tell, let her answer. Sudisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it both sides extended endlessly means which is this? Is it a ray or line segment or point?
Ma'am, it's a line.
Very good. Line. It's a line. Good. Now, Drona.
Yes, ma'am.
Name the angle. Here angle is given. Name the angle. Please name the angle. Yes, Nana. Yes, Sudisha, can you answer for this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please. What is the angle? Name of the angle here? Can we write it as first one is AOA is given. Second one is BOB given. Third one is given as AOB given. And fourth one as angle B is given. In this, which is correct, Sudesha?
Ma'am, AOB.
Very good. Always vertex should be in the middle. Always vertex should be in the middle. Which is the vertex, Nana? Meeting point is O. O should be, then only angle is formed. If there two rays are meeting at a point, makes an angle. So it should be always in the middle. AOB is correct or BOA, both are correct, Nana. In this case, we have only option C is correct. Okay, Sudisha, you got the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Drona, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I didn't properly get the question, ma'am. I thought
Okay.
it was
Next, C bit. Drona, please answer the C question. Which point is an exterior part of a quadrilateral? Exterior means outside, Nana. There are 3 dots are inside, 1 dot is outside. Which is outside dot?
Ma'am, C, ma'am.
C. So exterior means outside, Nana. Exterior means outside. So angle C is correct. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. Very good. Next, Sudesha.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the 4th question and answer the
Point has, ma'am, a point has 1 centimeter length.
A point has 1 centimeter length. Yes, I just put a small pencil with a small dot. Is it 1 centimeter length, Sudesha?
No, ma'am.
What is point? No length, no breadth, only dot, right, Sudesha?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's no length. So here, what is there? 1 centimeter length, wrong. Infinite length, wrong. 1 centimeter was only not possible means infinite. It is not always possible. So no length, none of these. Which is correct?
Ma'am, no length.
Next one. A line segment has. Line segment means we know that. I explained. Drona.
Ma'am, fixed length.
Drona?
B, the length, ma'am.
Fixed
Option
length.
B, ma'am.
Very good. A line segment is a part of line. It's a fixed length. Very good. Second option B is correct. Sudisha, you got that? Line segment have a end points. End points means we can measure that. It has a fixed length. Yes. Now Sudisha can answer 6th bit quick.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am?
I'm very laggy on this system. Can I rejoin, ma'am, so it won't be laggy?
Sure, Nana. Sure,
Okay,
Aditya.
ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, Sudisha, please read the 6th bit question quick.
A ray has, ma'am, 1 end point.
Very good. 1 end point, 2 end points, many end points, none of this. Very good. 1 end point, 1 we can extend endlessly. Next question to, yes. Next question is, what is next question, Sudisha?
In the given figure, these lines are, ma'am, parallel lines.
Very good. Here you are answering, but in the examination, why you didn't answer for any question? Sudisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? What is the reason behind that? You're not attempting the, okay. If I kept a message also, there is no reply from you. So that I want to help you. Any difficulties in chapter 1 also, you just previous kept in the message also group. I asked all the students whether they have doubts or not. They said we are perfect with first chapter, no need, ma'am.
Ma'am, I don't have any.
Yeah. Even I just asked in the classroom, they said we are perfect in first chapter, ma'am, you can go ahead. We can't name the given angle as. Yes. So Sudisha, here you have to see, Nana, always vertex should be in the middle. We can't name the given angle. We can name it as AOB or BOA, and AOB. Angle AOB is correct. Angle BOA is correct. Angle O is also correct.
Ma'am, D, ma'am.
D is angle 2.
Ma'am, it doesn't make sense, ma'am. Angle 2.
So we can't name this. Angle 2 అని మనం నేమ్ చేయలేం నాన్న ఇక్కడ. Rest all are correct options. Yes or no? We can
Yes,
write.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Ma'am, because O is
O.
always middle, ma'am.
O is always middle. We can take it as angle O also.
Yes,
Vertex-
ma'am, that's why.
Vertex, because angle is formed there only. That's why we can call it as that. Or else AOB we can call it. Or else BOA we can call it. Or else angle O we can call it as. Next question, Nana. Sudisha, please read the question.
Yes, ma'am. Define intersecting lines.
Yes, very good. Intersecting lines means what, Nana?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Meeting at a point, Nana. Two lines meet at a
Point.
point.
Ma'am, common point.
Anything, meeting.
Ma'am, option D is the correct answer.
Yes, 1 minute. Let me check. Drona, first options, please read that. Drona, please read the options.
Yes, ma'am. Two lines have same starting point.
No, that's not true. Next option.
Ma'am, I thought you asked for to read all the options, ma'am.
Yes, please read all the options, Nana, so that we can judge which is correct.
Common point. Two lines have one common point.
Two lines have one common point, maybe. Okay.
Two lines have same ending point.
Same ending points, no?
Two lines have same number of points.
Okay. Last one, Nana. Two lines have same number of points, which is true in this case.
B, ma'am, because it's like an into, ma'am. It's like a
Very good, very good. It's like into. It will meet at a point, common point. Very good.
that's in the middle of the X, ma'am.
Very good. Middle of the X. That is the intersecting point also I said in the next, please, Drona, read the 10th bit.
Yes, ma'am. How many lines can pass through a one given point?
Nana, this is also I explained. Let me show on the screen. You just see here. Sudisha, how many lines we can draw through a single point? You can see, Nana, we can make how many points we can make to passing through that.
Ma'am, we can make so many.
Yeah, very good. We can make many. That means we can make, what is the answer here?
Infinite, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Infinite.
C.
Very good. C, correct. Next, Sri Harsha Alluri, are you there, Sri Harsha? Sri Harsha, please respond. All are responding except Sri Harsha. Drona?
Mama, after explaining this, can you tell how to open the recording, ma'am?
Sure, Nana. Sure. Quickly we will complete. Yes, Drona, please. What is this?
Ma'am, can I read the next one?
11th bit read.
Yes, ma'am. Identify the adjoining the figure.
Yeah, what is this, Nana?
Ma'am,
Just now Sudisha also said the same thing. 1 point, one we can fixed point also she read. Yes or no,
yes,
Sudisha?
ma'am. It's a ray, ma'am.
It
Ma'am,
is
it's a ray.
very good. It's
A ray,
ray.
ma'am.
Very good, Drona. It's ray. Next. Wait a minute, ma'am. I'm writing test when I traveling, ma'am. That is why I did not little. Okay, Nana. Okay. I want Ashwath, not Ashwath. Sri Harsha Alluri should be responded. Sri Harsha, are you there?
Ma'am, he's there in the class, ma'am.
I'm asking the students to on their videos. That's why what they are doing, I don't know, children.
Ma'am, he's there, ma'am, he's talking.
He's there in the classroom.
Ma'am, he's talking, ma'am. Can you hear it?
Yes, Harsha, are you there, Nana? Yes,
ma'am.
very good, very good. I can hear you right now. Very good. Please read the 12th question, Harsha. Nowadays, you are very first, you are very joining, you are very first in maths. Nowadays, you are not a...
2 days I didn't join because I got some fever and cold.
Okay, right, Nana. Sorry, I don't know that part. I'm thinking why Harsha is not responding. Okay. Read the 12th question, Nana, Harsha.
Okay, ma'am.
half of a circle is called?
Yes.
Ma'am, it's semicircle, ma'am.
Very good. Come on, continue with the 13th question too.
Okay, ma'am. How many vertex does a triangle has?
How many vertices does a triangle have? Vertices means two lines meeting point, right, children? I said
Yes, ma'am.
vertices means meeting points. Meeting points. Yes. How many vertices you have, Sri Harsha, here?
Ma'am, here we have, ma'am, we have here
3 vertices.
3 vertices.
Very good. In triangle, we have 3 vertices. Which option is true?
Ma'am, option C.
Next, 13th, please continue with 13th too. Sorry, 14th.
What is this picture of?
Yes, there is a L angle. L angle means, what is L angle, Nana? L shape angle, Lohini.
Ma'am, it is perpendicular angle.
Very good. It's a perpendicular, 90 degrees. Perpendicular lines. Very good. Next question, 15th question. Lohini, please.
What is ma'am? It is C, ma'am, right angle.
Good. Next, 16th, the 16th question to Lohini.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Obtuse angle, ma'am.
Very good. Harsha.
Ma'am,
Harsha.
ma'am, I didn't watch this all now because I was absent when you're telling this lesson. Can you post this all in the classroom?
Yes,
No,
ma'am. I was
classroom.
also absent, ma'am. but,
Yeah. Classroom recordings, please go through that. I will show where it is. Please go through that so that you can you can
Ma'am, I
see.
can't find the recordings, ma'am.
I will help you. I will help you.
Ma'am, can you post them in YouTube, ma'am? Because I can't see them in the voice app, ma'am.
1 minute. I will see. I will show where it is. Okay. I will show.
Ma'am,
I'll share the-
can you post this formulas
Ma'am, it's
in
in
the
resources,
Google
that one, ma'am.
Classroom?
Ma'am, resources, ma'am.
Yes, in resources, Nana. In resources, class recordings are there. Please see that.
Ma'am, but when we play it, ma'am, the green screen will be popping up, ma'am. We can't see anything, ma'am.
Why it is?
Ma'am, another thing, ma'am, when I go to the class recordings, for
Okay.
some classes it is telling a video unavailable, and for some and I just received until 11th August recordings, ma'am.
Okay. Why
Yes,
it
ma'am.
is? Okay. But every day it is recorded in the cloud app, Nana.
Ma'am, but I didn't.
Okay, we'll find out from
Ma'am,
Rahul, sir.
in the folders, it will just keep on loading, ma'am. It will not show the actual video. ma'am.
Okay, we'll find out from Rahul, sir, so that he can help you. Next,
Okay.
Nana. See the next. Define right angle means. Yes, define Sudisha. Define right angle.
Ma'am, option B, exactly 90 degrees.
Very good. It's an option B, exactly 90 degrees. Very good. Next, define acute, Lohini.
Ma'am, it's A, less than 9.
Very good. Define acute angle means it is less than 90. Very cute. Next one, Sri Harsha. Sri Harsha, quick answers, please. We're supposed to start our class.
Oh, no, ma'am, I'll be right back.
Okay, Sudisha. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, which question, ma'am? Can you repeat?
Sri Harsha, 19th question, please. Answer 19th question. 20th question for Drona 2.
Ma'am, it's exactly 180.
Straight, exactly 180. Very good. Lohini, 20th question.
Ma'am, you told me.
Drona, sorry. Drona should answer.
Ma'am, greater than 90 and less than 80, ma'am.
Very good, Drona. Good job.
Option
Good
C,
job.
ma'am.
Next, 21. Name the figure. What is the name the figure? Drona. Drona, please respond.
May I?
Come on. Drona should respond.
Ma'am, Ma'am, it's a ray, ma'am.
No, hey, Sriharsha, is it Ray? Sriharsha,
Ma'am, it's
21st.
a line segment.
No, 21st, 21st.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait,
Ma'am, 21st. Ma'am, 21st, it is a line, ma'am.
very good. Two directions we can endlessly extend. Very good. Lohini, 22nd.
22nd, it's line segment.
Good. Next, 23rd.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Wait,
23rd and
wait, Nana. Ashwath, Jaydeep and Yadav, please wait because they're we're supposed to help the other students.
Yes, ma'am. I know, ma'am, because every time you said that.
Yeah. 23rd question. Sri Harsha. Quickly answer. I'm waiting here, Sri Harsha. Look,
Ma'am, can I tell the answer, I'm Harsha?
23rd.
Yes, ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, for you only I'm calling.
Ma'am, the answer is parallel lines because they are crossing each other.
They are crossing each other means parallel lines. Is it true?
No, ma'am.
No. Lohini, is it true what he said?
no, ma'am.
What is correct?
Sorry, ma'am, intersecting lines.
Intersecting lines.
Very good. 24.
Me?
24, Nana. Mana math symbols గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి Nana. Into symbol is always
Parallel lines.
yes. Equal to,
Parallel lines.
very good. Parallel lines, true. Here you are telling Sudesha, but examination, what happened? I don't know. What type of line does the picture raise? Yes, there is into. Is it
Ma'am, it is intersecting lines.
very good, intersecting as well as
Ma'am, intersecting and perpendicular.
very good.
Ma'am, it's perpendicular also, ma'am.
Yes, it's perpendicular also, but they didn't give 90 angle, Nana. If they will,
Ma'am, I wrote perpendicular, ma'am.
okay, it is intersecting lines.
Okay. ma'am.
But if they gave like just a minute, I'll show. If one, just a minute, Nana.
Ma'am, they're 90-degree only, no, ma'am.
Yeah. By seeing, suppose this is only the figure. This is only the figure. Just rotated this figure. Sorry, Nana. 1 minute.
Ma'am, one instrument will be to.
But children, listen.
listen.
This is only the figure given. But only the thing, if they mentioned like any angle here, like L shape angle, we can take it as a perpendicular.
Okay, ma'am.
But they didn't mention anything. Just cross lines are given.
Ma'am, just R is there in the middle.
Yeah. Cross lines are given. So that.
Okay, ma'am. Intersecting, ma'am. They're in.
That's all. Next, Nana, 26. Sri Drona.
Ma'am, because perpendicular are always 90 right angle, no, ma'am.
Exactly, Nana. It makes 90. That is the difference between intersecting and perpendicular.
Yes, ma'am.
Intersecting means
For
that
20, ma'am,
we
for
can make
23rd question, it was not an X, ma'am. It was not right angle. That's why it was intersecting.
okay. Yes. Sriharsha, please, 26th bit.
Ma'am, 26 point. Ma'am, the number it is 780, ma'am.
Correct. Next one, Drona. Next question by Drona,
Excuse me, ma'am.
27.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Harsha.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, they will use one instrument to find how much degrees, ma'am. What is that, ma'am?
Which one, Harsha? Harsha, which bit?
Ma'am, not that, ma'am. I'm asking instrument which they will use to how much they will use to find how many degrees it is.
Yeah. Angle measurement, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we have Nana practical geometry. Last chapter we will discuss that. Construction of using compass, you are going to construct an angle. Using protractor, you can measure the angle. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Next, please, 27. Drona, read the 27 question quickly. Children, concentrate here.
10,000 into 10,000, ma'am.
Yes, one after how many zeros you will get probably?
Ma'am, 8, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
10 crores, ma'am.
8 zeros. 8 zeros means how we supposed to read, Nana?
Ma'am, 10 crores, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Who is this giving answer very fast? Good, good. Now, Drona should respond. 28th bit. No, I want Sudisha should respond. She have doubts in first chapter. That's why I'm giving this.
Yeah,
to-
ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. Please, Sudisha, I'm giving for you only these few questions.
Use the given digits from the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number. The numbers are 2, 8, 7, 4.
Yes. See here.
Option A is the correct one.
Yeah, using small greatest and yeah, greatest option. Which option is correct, Nana?
Ma'am, she said A.
Correct, Nana. Is it correct? What she said?
Yes,
is
ma'am. Yes, ma'am, correct.
Next, 29, ma. Sweet. Sudisha, 29.
Form the greatest 4-digit number using the digit 5403.
Okay.
Ma'am, the answer will be A.
Yay. 5430. Wonderful. Come on, coming to the 30th bit, Nana.
Ma'am, I have the doubt in the 30th bit, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Nana.
Ma'am,
From smallest
Ma'am,
to
Ma'am, they told to form the smallest number, ma'am, using the given digits 4750. But they didn't ask whether it's the smallest 4-digit or the 3-digit, right, ma'am? So we can place it
you
as
are very
0457.
wise. You are very wise, Jaydeep. You are very wise. That's why they're asking this question. You are too wise. Actually, they're supposed to mention there. What is that? It is the smallest 4-digit number they're supposed to mention. It's really very good, Nana. It's a correction need to this question.
Ma'am, but they said right, ma'am, form the smallest number.
Smallest 4-digit, ma'am. They should have
Yeah.
4-digit also.
Sudisha, what is Jaydeep is asking question correct only,
ma'am.
or else what we
Ma'am.
can take? We can take 0 first.
Yes, ma'am.
0 first means
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 0 first
I
means 10.
remember
It's 3-digit number, ma'am. They have to specify, ma'am.
they should mention.
and they didn't give the correct option, ma'am. That's why I kept A1 because that is only bigger than the stone, ma'am.
No, they gave correct answer, right? They didn't give.
Ma'am, they gave correct answer. ma'am.
They gave, Nana. They gave correct answer. Which is correct, Sudisha?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, option A.
no, ma'am, it's B, ma'am.
Option A, like Jaydeep only she gave one question.
Ma'am, if it was 4-digit, ma'am, B, ma'am. Option B.
It is 4-digit number. 4-digit number need to form, Nana. Smallest 4-digit number need to form. That means which number you supposed to choose?
Option B.
Ma'am, B, ma'am.
B.
4,050.
Ma'am, is it for question number 32, ma'am?
Yes.
No,
yes.
30.
30,
30, ma'am.
31, Nana. We are going with 31.
Ma'am,
Yes.
form the greatest.
Yes.
Ma'am, it
please
will
read.
be option A, right, ma'am?
Yes, Ashwath, which one? 31.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the question? Form the greatest.
From the
four-
greatest 4-digit number with 3, 8, and 7 using 1 digit twice. Ma'am, here we can exclude the 3000 and check the hundreds and tens and ones place. For A it is 788, for B it is 378, for C it is 778, ma'am. Then
Yes.
A will be biggest, right, ma'am?
Right, Nana. Good. Very good. Greatest means which one we supposed to take?
Ma'am, A1, ma'am. 3,780.
8. Next, Nana. 32 question, Nana. Very why these are important.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you're giving like other students except me, Ashwath, and Jaydeep, ma'am.
Yes.
So
Nana.
can you give us last 3 questions, ma'am?
Okay. Okay. So that you can discuss over there. Okay. Sure.
Ma'am,
Nana.
so at least one question will do.
Right, Yadad. 32 question, Yadad, please.
Ma'am, can I give 33?
1 minute. 32 already over, right? Just we
Ma'am,
discussed.
33.
Ma'am, 31 we did, no? ma'am?
31. 32. Yadav, please answer for 32 question.
Yes, ma'am. 32. Make the smallest 4-digit number using the given digits 9, 0, and 5. Use
Yes.
one digit twice, ma'am. Ma'am, A1, ma'am. 5009.
Why, Sudisha? Why it is taken as A? A is correct for 32.
Ma'am, to form the smallest digit, we cannot use 9 or 5 because it makes it as a greatest number. So we used 0 as the twice digit.
Repeated digit, but the two, not in.
Ma'am, if we added it in the first, ma'am, because it will become a 2-digit number.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Ma'am. Next 33 is for
Ma'am,
Ashwath.
yes,
Ashwath
ma'am.
33, Nana.
The Roman numeral for 73 and 92 respectively. Ma'am, 73 can be formed by L symbol 50, 50 plus 20 plus 3, like that. L X X I. For 92 we can do 100 minus 10 plus 2, which is
92.
which is XCII. The option is ma'am. The
Yes,
correct.
ma'am. Correct, ma'am. Correct.
Very good. Next, which of these Roman numeral is correct? Sudisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Which one is correct?
Ma'am, A is correct.
Is A is correct? No, I think.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. D, ma'am.
The never come. We never come before. We never come.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, because
ma'am, in
because
B and C, W doesn't exist, ma'am.
it's not W, it is double V, which is 10.
We, Nana, we. It's
Ma'am, I
not
thought
W.
it was
Ma'am, we
W.
cannot.
There is no W. Yadar, I will beat you. There is no W in that. Where
Ma'am,
is
we
W?
cannot repeat
Ma'am, I thought they wrote
we
W,
cannot
ma'am.
repeat the symbols.
Yes.
Ma'am, we cannot repeat the singles more than one time, ma'am. The symbols are V, L, and D, ma'am. I think so.
Yes.
Ma'am, but I
You
wrote
are
D
correct.
option only, ma'am.
Wonderful.
Ma'am, I didn't do wrong, ma'am. I did D only option.
Okay. But here it is repeated. That's why it is not true. And coming to B option also, we repeated 2 times. It is not true. Which is correct one?
Ma'am, D, ma'am.
Ma'am, D.
Ma'am, M, X, X, X.
Very good. M means what is the value of M, Sudisha? 1000.
1000.
Very good. X means? X, Nana. No, 10th
Ma'am,
class.
10. Sorry, I was on.
No. When you are going to 10th class, your classroom number is like X only.
Yes,
If
ma'am,
you
they'll
go-
give like that, ma'am.
If you go to 9th class, they won't accept you. They won't.
I and X.
I and X 9th. Next, if you are 6th class,
Ma'am, V and I.
V and
Ma'am,
I.
1V, ma'am. IV.
hey, IV means
Ma'am, sorry,
IV
ma'am,
will
V1.
be 4.
Yadav, I will
Ma'am,
send
B,
you
ma'am.
4th class right now.
Ma'am, sorry.
Okay, next one, 35th question. Nana, nearest tens, Harsha. Next, Drona should respond.
Ma'am?
Oh.
Ma'am, I can do this easy, ma'am. Ma'am, there are 3,500 is first one.
I will
ma'am,
ask you randomly. Be ready with the answer. Come on.
Ma'am, first one is 3,500 and second one is 3,900. So if we add them, we will get 7,400, ma'am.
Good. Is it correct, children? No, I'm asking
Ma'am,
about
can I answer 36 questions?
nearest
Ma'am,
tens.
Sriharsha,
Nana.
which option?
Nearest tens.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I-
3,000 can be near to 3,540
Very good.
plus 3,884 can be near to
80.
Ma'am, option A, ma'am.
3,880.
Okay, very good. But according to him, Sriharsha said.
Ma'am, it's option A, ma'am.
Yes, correct, Nana. Option A is correct, not
Ma'am,
option.
7,420. ma'am.
Yeah. Now,
Ma'am, can I do a 36 question?
yes, Jaydeep 37, 38,
Okay, ma'am.
36 for
And the
Ashwath.
answer sound only.
No, you said 7,400, Sriharsha.
Ma'am, you
Ma'am,
gave me
one. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Next,
1,000
38.
will. Ma'am, 1 crore has a 1 crore has 7 zeros, ma'am.
Hmm.
1,000 has 3 zeros.
Okay.
From thousands place, 10,000 will be into 10.
Okay.
Then lakhs place will be into 100.
Very good.
Uh,
Excellent.
Then 10 lakhs will be into 1,000.
Okay.
Then crores place will be into 10,000. So
Okay.
10,000, thousands will make a crore.
Okay. Is it correct, Vedharth?
Yes, ma'am, correct. only,
Very
ma'am.
good explanation also given by Ashwath. Very
Ma'am,
good.
A bit, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, correct. only.
Next question for whom I gave?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, for
Jaydeep.
Jaydeep, ma'am.
Jaydeep. Jaydeep.
Ma'am, should I give the explanation to ma'am or
Yes,
just
yes,
tell the
Nana.
answer, ma'am?
Explanation also you're supposed to give.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, they told us to write the number 98765,432 in the Indian system, ma'am. So in the first option, it is the international system, and in the second, actually we should, according to the Indian, if it is, we should place a comma after 87.
Okay.
But they didn't give it. So, and in the C option, it is the Indian system, and in the
Absolutely
D.
correct. Very
And
good.
in the
ma'am.
D option, it is neither international nor Indian, because after every 100, once period they should place a comma. So, but here they didn't place a comma, so
Okay.
it will be option C.
Wonderful. Good, Nana. Very good. Next question by Lohini. 838 Lohini, Nana.
ma'am, you told for me 36, ma'am.
I will come to you, Drona. I will come to you. 39 and 40 again. Drona and Sriharsha. 38 Lohini should answer.
Okay, ma'am. A number can be written in words. The international in 206. Ma'am, the first one is correct, ma'am. A.
Read the number name.
235,006.
Very good, Nana. Next, for whom I gave Drona should
Ma'am,
answer.
Drona, then Sriharsha, ma'am.
Yeah, Drona.
302, ma'am. 300 and oh, sorry, ma'am. By
Meters
mistake,
to
ma'am.
millimeters, Nana. Any jumps, Nana? King Henry died. Mary did not cry much.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. I thought it was centimeters.
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. You just think and give the answer, right answer.
Yes, ma'am. It's 3,000, ma'am. 3,000, 3,002, ma'am. Option B.
Okay, Nana.
Ma'am,
No,
ma'am,
no,
no, ma'am.
no.
I'm wrong, ma'am.
Yes, wrong.
Ma'am,
Nana.
it's wrong. The option C is correct, ma'am.
Option
ma'am.
C. Can
Option
you give
C.
reason, Sriharsha?
Ma'am,
Millimeters to meter, meters to millimeter conversion. Which number you're supposed to multiply? Quickly give the answer. You
ma'am,
have to-
meters to millimeters, we should multiply 1,000, ma'am.
Very good. You should multiply with 1,000. 3 jumps towards right side. 3220. 3220. Option C is correct. Now last question to Yadharth.
Ma'am, you told it is the minimum.
Sriharsha, you said just 39 gave, na? Okay, we'll discuss, Nana. Many questions are there. Solve the problem. Rounding off nearest thousands, Nana.
Ma'am, 1,456 plus 6,825, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, we can route 1,456 to the nearest thousands as 1,000.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am. And 6,825 to 7,000, ma'am.
Wonderful, Nana.
So it's
8,000.
1,000 plus 7,000 is equal to 8,000, ma'am. So
Good,
B1.
Nana. Very good, good. Where is your
Ma'am, can I tell question number that one, ma'am? 3.02.
Yes, Nana. Drona. Sorry, Ashwath.
Ma'am, the question number 39, ma'am. 3.02 meters. We can take out the point. It will become 302 centimeters, ma'am.
Okay.
Now we need to convert it into millimeters. Centimeters are 10 times of millimeters. So if we multiply 302 into 10, we will get 3020.
Very good.
3020 will be the answer.
Very good, Nana. Or else conversion, you have to remember one part, Nana. This is, I think I gave for you all. Do you remember or not? I'm not sure, children. King Henry died, Mary did not cry much. King kilograms, Henry hectograms, died decograms.
Ma'am, it will be in my emails, ma'am. I
Yes,
have
King
a
Henry died, Mary meters, grams. These are standard unit. King Henry died, Mary, Granny did not cry much. Granny did not cry much. DG, MG. Nana, you could show Nana standard. Is it correct? CM, CG also there. CG.
CG,
and
yes, ma'am.
Mary, Granny did not cry. This is cry much. Did not. Granny. Yes, so we can.
King and Henry.
Based on this, same question, Nana, millimeters. So standard units, you have to meters. If standard units are meters, grams. Another one is.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it's
seconds are not
King.
picoseconds, ma'am.
Ma'am,
And
can you
King
spell?
Henry died. Granny did cry much.
Yes, Nana, something words. Ikkada mother Mary did not cry much. Lady did not cry much. Like that, decimeters, centimeters, and millimeters. These are the conversions before, after meters. Before meters, decameters, hectometers, kilometers.
Kilometers.
Same way, liters, if you take, means deciliters, Nana, centiliters,
Centiliter.
milliliters.
Ma'am,
So,
ma'am,
here,
and after kgs,
Ma'am, but
and
mostly we
after
do.
kgs there are. Ma'am, and
Ma'am,
after
kiloliter.
kgs there are.
Ma'am, mostly we do like liter to milliliter, no?
yeah, Nana. Can you just word sentence గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, Nana. Whatever the
Okay.
things if you are happening, you can easily find out. Our question before question is millimeter to centimeter.
And
Meter
after
to
kilograms there are
meter to
1,000 answer
yeah.
also there, ma'am.
Meter to centimeters. Millimeters is given, you need to convert into meters. Sorry, meters is given, you need to convert into millimeters. How many
And we have
jumps
to-
are there, Nana? 1, 2,
Ma'am, 3, ma'am. So
3.
1,000, ma'am. We have to
You
multiply
just
by 1,000.
multiply with 3.02 into 3,000.
1,000.
So how many jumps towards right side, Nana? 3 jumps.
Yes, ma'am.
0 to 0. 1 0 is not there. You can add up and write it as 3 to 0. This is the answer. We can convert like that, children. But the key
Yes.
sentence is very important. What is that?
Ma'am, King Henry.
Yes,
King Henry died. Grandma didn't cry much.
yes, Granny did not cry much. Granny.
Ma'am, then what is the first one for kilometers? Meters and all.
Kiloliters కదా నాన్న. Lady did not cry much.
Ma'am, for the first one?
నాన్న ఇక్కడేమో లేడీ నాన్న, ఇక్కడేమో గ్రానీ, ఇక్కడేమో మేరీ. మేరీ ఆర్ మదర్ ఏదో ఒకటి.
Okay. Okay.
మేరీ. ఒక జస్ట్ వర్డ్స్ నేర్చుకుంటే.
Ma'am, kilogram is 1,000 grams. Hectogram is 100 grams. Decagram is 10 grams. 1 gram is 1 gram. Decigram is 0.1 gram. Centigram is 0.01 gram.
Nana,
Milligram.
grams also there, Nana. Nanos also there. Millis, microns,
Yes,
very
ma'am.
smaller units also
Milligram
there.
is 0.001 gram.
No, yes, this is about.
Am I not till there only?
Very good. Now we can go with what are the earlier class we stopped, children. We can go with the important points in understanding.
Ma'am, can you explain what you had told, ma'am, in the last class, ma'am? I didn't join, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I also didn't join.
Which
Ma'am, I also didn't join.
Which part I gave? Nana, let me see. Let me show that recording where it is there. You can see the recording part.
Ma'am, but it is even
When
there
you are
only
going
till
to
11th,
listen,
ma'am.
let me show. When you are going to Vizag, you just go to Vizag.
Ma'am, resources.
1 minute, Nana. Vizag. Where is Vizag? Okay.
Ma'am, just click back.
Okay. When you are going to WhatsApp, children, you just go with the resources. Okay. In resources, there are class recordings. Date wise,
Ma'am,
you
there is only till 11th August there.
Yes,
no,
ma'am.
you just see, you have to refresh and do
But
it.
I'm not
See,
using
Ma'am, even for you it is
computer
like
or
that.
laptop, ma'am. I'm using tab, ma'am.
1 minute, I'm just checking. Maybe this class is combined class. We started from which day? 11th August. It is. Okay.
Yes.
Where is the remaining?
And we started from July, right, ma'am? This class.
But the new classroom it is only. Where previous recordings? Let me see another.
Ma'am, that one,
the
ma'am.
Maybe sometimes here also it is going to record, Nana.
Ma'am, it is not there, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's 27 July, ma'am.
I'll find out from Sir, Nana. Rahul Sir maybe uploaded in YouTube and removed that. I think so.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am, I saw in YouTube. There was only what, ma'am? There was some explanation videos, ma'am, that animated videos.
Okay. Maybe our class 6 also, if you find class 6 recordings, mathematics, CBSE, we can get one. Or else I will share with you today onwards. Don't worry, children. You just please today itself you're supposed to see here. In resources, I will rename. Yesterday also I renamed that part. Which class I renamed? I don't know. Let me see other classes also happening or not. Suppose 8th B, resources, class recording. It is 14th August, 13th. It is happening, right, Nana?
But for us, it's not there, ma'am.
Because 15th and 16th, I think this class is not happening.
Ma'am, we're not getting, ma'am.
Okay, let me check other classrooms so that I can confirm whether it is happening or not. It is also.
Ma'am,
Maybe I forget to record the day. I don't know. I'm not
Yes,
ma'am,
sure.
before they
maybe,
kept maths and science separate, no, ma'am. Now why they mixed all maths and science in one channel?
Which one, Nana?
Ma'am, now they kept the subject maths and science that one and in same group, no, ma'am. But before it will be separate, no, why
Yes,
why
it is combined, Nana, because of many things are there to upload the part. Teacher need to focus. What is?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, if you can't find the recording, ma'am, in resources, can you just tell a little recap on what you did that day?
Okay. Who is
Just,
there?
ma'am, short recap.
Okay, Nana. We will just recall that points and we can start today's class. Don't worry.
Okay.
Just the points what I gave other day. What are different basic points like a point, ray, line segment, line. These are the points we discussed. And the curves. What are curves, children?
Ma'am, those are
Yes.
ma'am,
Ma'am,
those are lines. Those are lines which are round.
Ma'am, which turn, ma'am? Line which turn?
Okay.
Ma'am, a curve is a continuous and smooth line without any sharp turns.
Very good, very good. Without lifting your pencil, sharp pencil, without lifting, you can draw. You just let me draw. Suppose you think this is my pencil. Without lifting my pencil, I can draw the line. Starting point, ending point with meet at a place. So this type of curve is called. What type of curve? This is closed curve.
Good.
Is
Ma'am,
it
what's the difference between the closed and the simple closed curve, ma'am?
very good? Very good. Suppose you're asking
Ma'am, closed curves are curves which have starting point and ending
yeah, you
point
just see. No,
joined.
you just see. You just see. Here, you
Ma'am,
just.
closed curve is a curve which doesn't have any starting point or end point, and open curve is a curve which has starting and ending point.
No. Jaideep question is which is simple curve, which is closed curve.
Ma'am, difference between closed curve and simple closed curve.
Is it closed, Nana? Is it closed?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it simple?
Yes, ma'am.
No,
No.
ma'am.
Is it closed curve?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
it is not simple.
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
why
because
it is
we
not
don't
simple,
know
ma'am?
where it
simple
is
that, ma'am.
starting and where it is ending.
No, Sudesha, it is overlapping here. You just see in this point, it is meeting here, it is meeting
Yes,
here.
ma'am.
There are junctioning happening here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
More than two lines are meeting here. That's why it is not simple. It's not simple. You just see in this figure, suppose I'm going to start from here, just meeting here. Only here, which lines? Two lines are meeting, right?
I'm only 2, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that's why it is closed.
Yes,
Simple closed.
Ma'am, which doesn't intersect itself, ma'am.
Yes, Nana. Which doesn't
Ma'am,
intersect.
intersect, ma'am.
Or else you can take like that. Suppose this is the figure. You just see here. Is it closed figure, Nana? Is it closed figure?
Yes, ma'am, it's closed.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Ma'am, it
now-
is simple closed.
Yes.
Now let me take. Is this closed, children? Is this
Ma'am,
closed?
it's closed,
Yes,
but it's
ma'am.
not simple, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
not simple.
Why? Why?
Ma'am, because 4 points are
there is
meeting,
an
ma'am.
interlapping.
4
Ma'am,
lines
because
are
they're
meeting.
intersecting.
Sudisha said there is an interlapping. Very good, Nana. Very good.
Ma'am, 4 lines are intersecting.
Yeah, more than 2 points, more than 2. You just see in this point, there are overlapping is also happens. That's why it's not a simple close. Okay, children, what is the difference between, you understand, Nana?
Yes, ma'am.
Same thing you will get in the polygons also. What is the definition of polygon? Polygon is a simple closed curve bounded by a line segments. What is polygons, children?
Ma'am, can you
Ma'am,
write
it is a
curve?
simple closed, it is a closed figure made by joining line segments where each line segment intersect two others.
Not only closed, Nana, it is also simple. Very good. You are telling not only closed, it is
And even
simple.
constellations are also closed. No?
Yes. I think it is class 7. 1 minute, Nana. I think.
Can anyone type the definition of curve again in the chat?
I will give, Nana. I'm giving. One minute, Nana. Just a minute. I'm taking. Yesterday we are discussing about which is the last point, Sudisha, we discussed in previous class. Is it curves part I started or not? Types of angles, Nana. We discussed the comparing angles, how to differ, what are the different types of angles we discussed? What
Yes,
are
ma'am.
no. Anyway, we'll just recollect all the points.
Ma'am, can you tell who were there in the last class? ma'am?
Okay. Just I'm drawing the pictures, Nana. What is this, Nana? Suppose if I'm writing like, what is this?
Ma'am, it
Ma'am,
is
it's
a line
line.
starting with A
A
and B.
and B and ending with B. ma'am.
Next, what is this?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it is a
line
line
segment.
segment, ma'am, which started from A and
and
ended
B.
with B.
Ma'am, this is ray, ma'am.
Is
Ma'am, this is a ray.
Array.
it's a ray, ma'am.
this is
Ma'am, that is a line.
Ma'am, line
Ma'am,
segment.
first one is line, ma'am. Second one is line segment. Third one is ray, ma'am.
Ma'am, in-
no types of lines, Nana. Types of lines.
ma'am, and while representing ray, ma'am, you didn't cross that mark, ma'am.
Yes, sorry, Nana. It's true, correct. Now you have two types of lines. What type of lines? These two lines, Nana.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Parallel.
line.
line.
Ma'am, parallel.
Parallel
And there
lines.
are parallel lines.
Is this two lines are parallel or not? Let me know.
Ma'am,
Yes,
there are
ma'am.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
See, children,
Parallel.
the distance between the both the lines are same. Very good.
Ma'am, equal.
Next, these are parallel lines. Now, intersecting lines. Intersecting lines.
Ma'am, that crisscross each other.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
which
They
cross
cross each other. Let me
Yes,
take.
ma'am.
Is this intersect lines, Nana?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Intersecting.
Ma'am, the
No.
dot is just visible.
L is yes. This is
Yeah, there,
intersecting
ma'am.
point also. The point is also called as
Oh.
intersecting point. Nana, parallel symbol is, suppose this is line L, this is line M. Parallel is like a long 11, Nana, long 11. Sag this now. What is this? This is parallel symbol. Parallel
Okay, ma'am.
symbol.
Parallel symbol.
Two lines, two standing lines. Little
Ma'am, like 2, ma'am.
11,
In
Nana. It's big 11.
Ma'am, like in 2 in Roman, ma'am.
Okay. Now intersecting is over. What are perpendicular lines, Nana?
Ma'am, they are almost the same
Ma'am,
thing as
2 lines.
intersecting, but they'll have a little
Ma'am,
angle,
2
ma'am.
lines that intersect each
Intersect
other at right
in a right angle, ma'am,
Very good. The intersect.
and have an angle, ma'am.
Very good. Having a right angle 90 degrees. So this type of perpendicular lines. L and M are perpendicular lines. Nana, perpendicular symbol is Nana. Perpendicular symbol is ulta T. Ulta T. Ulta T. What is this symbol?
Ma'am, ma'am, perpendicular, ma'am.
Very good, Nana. This is, don't forget. This symbol is called.
Ma'am, why, ma'am, like that?
Perpendicular.
And what is obtuse angle?
Nana, this symbol is
Ma'am, intersecting, ma'am. Ma'am, parallel, ma'am.
Parallel.
And this is parallel.
Ma'am, for intersecting, ma'am, what is it?
there is no intersecting. For the intersecting, we are mentioning.
Ma'am, then how do we
Okay,
write? Do we write intersecting line is OP or something?
Angles we can write or else, but there is no specifically given any symbol. Like perpendicular and parallel, they gave
Yes,
11 for perpendicular, like a distance between two lines are same.
ma'am, intersecting don't have a fixed angle, right?
Yeah, that's why they won't give. Here, the perpendicular they give. Next, Nana.
Okay.
Angles, you just write down the heading as an angles. What are different types of angles? Yes, when it angle forms.
Ma'am, 90 degrees, 180
If
degrees,
any
360
two rays
degrees.
meet at a point, makes an angle, children. If any
Okay.
two makes an angle, this is angle. Suppose this
Ma'am,
is
can you repeat again?
AOB.
Ma'am, we can call it B.
What
Ma'am,
is
we can. Ma'am, we can call it BOA and AOB, ma'am, and
Very
angle
good.
O, ma'am.
Very good. We can call it as either
Ma'am, AOB, BOA, or angle O because it's in the middle, ma'am. O.
yes. We can call it as AOB
And
or
BOA.
BOA, or we can call it
Ma'am,
as
angle O, ma'am.
Ma'am, and angle A and angle B also, right, ma'am?
yes. What is this symbol, Nana?
Ma'am, it is a symbol
Angle,
for
angle.
Angle symbol, Nana. Angle symbol, right. Next, what are different types of angles?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
acute
0
angle,
Ma'am, acute angle,
acute
obtuse
angle,
angle, right
right angle.
angle.
Ma'am,
Based
acute
on type,
angle, straight
Nana, we
angle.
have two types based on sides, based on
Ma'am, can I tell 4 types of
based
angles?
on angles, based on angles, based on sides. We have again three types. What is those, Nana? Based on sides? No, based on angles. No, it's not no, like that. Based on sides only. Okay, sorry, Nana. It's the types of angles, not types of triangles. Yes, types of angles. What are those? Acute,
Ma'am, acute,
ma'am,
obtuse,
acute, right angle,
obtuse and right angle, straight angle.
obtuse, straight,
Ma'am, and
ma'am,
right
right
angle.
angle.
right? Yes, Ashwath, what you are doing?
Ma'am, even the 0-degree angle, ma'am.
Very good. Complete angle,
Yes.
right angle, or else reflex angle also there, right, Nana?
Yes, ma'am.
Reflection angle.
Ma'am, what is a reflex angle?
Yes, I will tell.
More than 180, less than 360.
Correct. Nana.
Okay, thank you. teacher.
Nana, acute means it lies between 0 and
0 and 9.
Ma'am, 90 degree.
acute lies between 0 and
90 degree. Ma'am, obtuse means 90 degree to 180.
yes, Nana, 90 to 180, in between 90 to
180 degree.
Ma'am,
straight.
straight angle is
Ma'am, exactly 180 degree.
180.
What is right angle, Nana?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
exactly
90 degree exactly.
Ma'am, exactly 90.
What is complete angle, Nana?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, exactly
0 degree.
360.
Ma'am, 360.
Exactly.
360 degrees.
What is reflex angle, ma?
Ma'am, more
Ma'am.
than 90, less than 180.
Very good. It's more than. Very good.
Ma'am, more than 180, less than 270.
less
Ma'am, I
than,
told, ma'am, I think so. I told wrong before, ma'am.
less than
Ma'am, 270.
270 or 360.
360, ma'am.
360, Nana.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, these are the different types of angles. Please remember. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, angles can be measured with which instrument, children? Children, angles.
I'm a protractor.
Ma'am, a protector. ma'am.
Very good. What is you have to see in your geometry box? There is half circle, right? What is that name of that semicircle name?
I'm protractor.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
protector.
The question is, what is an instrument used to measure angles?
Protector.
Protractor.
Very good. Next. How to draw the angles, children? Using an instrument. Which instruments we can use to draw?
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am.
Compass, no, no. Compass is an instrument
Yes, ma'am.
to
Compass.
construct an angles. Compass is an instrument to construct.
And this is called as protractor.
Yeah, very good, very good. Wait a minute, let me show children. Yes, yes. What is compass, please? Show it.
Ma'am, I think he's bringing.
Yeah, it's two needles. No, it's not compass, Nana. Sudesha, it's not compass.
Ma'am, this is the compass, ma'am.
This is compass. Right. Two sharp edges is there, that we can call it as what is that name, children?
Ma'am, it is called as
Divider.
yes, ma'am. It's called divider.
Yes. Why? Because two divider we can use that. This one is in a compass.
We can
Ma'am,
measure
then,
the circles with that, ma'am.
Ma'am, but compass is like it's like this, right, ma'am? It's used to draw circles, right, ma'am?
No, construction of angles also we can do.
Ma'am, but if we want to construct angles, then we need to draw an outline like this, ma'am, right?
Nana, using measurement is different. Nana. Once we are measuring is instrument semicircle, like what you said, that name? Protractor. We can measure, but we can construct, we can build angles using compass.
Ma'am, we can, ma'am, this is
Ma'am, this is a compass and this is a protractor, right, ma'am?
scale, ma'am.
No. Protractor is semicircle, Nana. Protractor is
Ma'am,
semicircle. Semicircle you have, that is protractor. Two sharp edges is divider, Nana. Two sharp edges. That
Ma'am,
one,
this one, ma'am.
Ma'am, that is used to
Nana.
measure
Instrument
the
names also very important, Nana. Roller means scale. Half circle means protractor. One sharp edge means that is compass. Two sharp edges means divisor.
divider.
What are other triangular shape instruments names? Set squares.
Ma'am, that is
Set squares, Nana. Those names are set square. Don't forget. These are the points, important points.
ma'am, for what we will use those, ma'am?
Yes, what is time now? 6:06. Oh, sorry, children. I have another class. The students are waiting. I think 6th, 7th, 8th grade students already they kept a message. I don't know.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's already for
Yeah, they already
6,
5
6,
minutes
ma'am.
later. Okay, I'm going to start there. Okay, bye.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day ahead.
Next
Thank
class
you,
we
Ma'am,
will-
is there any homework?
No, you just please go through all the points. No, next class we will go with the types of curves. What are different types of curves? Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice
Bye,
day.
children.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Please Please draw it acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle. Very good. You
Okay,
can
ma'am.
draw all in your book, rough book,
Yes.
things like that.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.